In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to sign up for a FilesAnywhere professional plan. We need to open up a browser window and go to our homepage at https://www.filesanywhere.com. Once on the web page, you will see a blue sign up button in the top right corner and click on Sign Up. First, make sure that you have selected and have the blue circle around Professional. Second, please enter in your personal information or information for the primary contact and person that will receive the initial login details. First name, last name, email address, and mobile phone, which will be used to receive the verification text for the next session, as well as receiving a text message once the account has been created. Please note that if your international country code is not available within the approved drop-down list, then you will need to click the Here link and fill out the FilesAnywhere International Plan Sign-Up, electronic form or e-form, and click Submit. For those that are not international or were able to locate their number from the international drop-down list, once this information has been entered, you will have to check the CAPTCHA that you are not a robot and then click Continue. The system will now send a verification text to the number provided within the personal information section, and the code received will need to be entered in the next section. If you do not receive it within 2 to 3 minutes, you can click the Resend button. Once the code has been entered, you can select Continue. The next section is going to be account information. This is the company name, which is your company name, or if you don't have one, the name you want to appear on the site. Administrator user ID, which is the user ID that will be required to log in to the administrator account. Site URL, this will be the URL or web address to access the account. Next, you can select the starting number of users and storage. You can upgrade the account at any time. However, it will default to the base plan, which at the time of recording starts at 4 users and 2 terabytes. This is subject to change. The billing cycle can be monthly, annually, 2 years, or 3 years. Selecting an annual or 2 or 3 years allows for additional discounts, which will be displayed under the plan price amount. Promo codes can be found by following our social media accounts such as Twitter and Facebook. You can also elect to receive a text when the site is activated and will need to agree to the terms of use to continue to the next section. The billing information. We accept most major credit cards and PayPal. We do allow for invoicing for accounts with 10 or more users on an annual term. Contact support@filesanywhere.com for more information on invoicing. Next, it will have you confirm that all of the account information is correct. Please review all of the information, and if everything is correct, you can elect to receive a text when the site is activated, and then click the box labeled "I verify that the above information is accurate." Then click Confirm. You will be prompted with a thank you message letting you know that the system is processing your order. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will receive an email like the one shown, and will need to click on the password reset link to set a password and log into your account. Now let's log into the user interface. Now you are ready to upload files. For additional tips and help articles, please go to support.filesanywhere.com. We have many guides and videos at your fingertips.